Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of Bitcoin. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer Bitcoin from Venmo to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your BTC for better investment options or portfolio management, you're in the right place. This process might seem tricky at first, but I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do it confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure your Venmo and Robinhood accounts are set up and verified. In 2025, crypto regulations have tightened, so double-check that your accounts are linked to a valid ID and that you have two-factor authentication enabled for security. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone. Head to the Crypto or Bitcoin section. It's usually under your balance or a dedicated tab. Select the Bitcoin you want to transfer and choose the Withdraw or Send to Wallet option. You'll need to enter a receiving wallet address, so here's where Robinhood comes in. Next, switch over to the Robinhood app. Go to your portfolio, find the deposit section, and select Bitcoin as the asset. Robinhood will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully. Now, back in Venmo, paste that Robinhood wallet address into the withdrawal field. Double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes, like sending to the wrong address. Set your transfer amount, confirm the network fees, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to improved blockchain tech, and hit send. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. Pro tip: always keep an eye on transaction fees and consider using a hardware wallet for extra security in the future. That's it, you've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.